contestant 6.
Contestant number 6, Mina.
Joining in the top 5, contestant 13, Ruktalon. Joining Ruktalon in the top 5, contestant 14, Karbi.
KYF 2023 Miss Julie Baby to please join us onto the stage.
The gorgeous and talented groomer who have groomed a beautiful contestants of this beauty pageant, Miss KYF 2023, presenting to you Miss Julie Baby. To request a member of KYF to kindly felicitate our lovely groomer, Miss Julie Baby, with a karbi boho and a beautiful bouquet. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, we have here before you the top 5 competing for the Miss KYF 2023. Please give them a big round of applause for the top 5 contestants. As we can see the beautiful top 5 standing before us, it is now time for the question round. Here, the panel of judges will interact with all of our top 5 contestants and where they'll pick our winner, Miss KYF 2023. So I would like to request the technical team to kindly pass over the mic to our judges over there so that they can interact with our contestants. Nona bangke, la top 5 at heke bang po Miss KYF aputub apan alang litum non chipatipon answer se 6 chit po. As nona bangke alang litum apan questioning round at heke karju pater talk litum judges at heke kangkrum kansai abang po bang pimar alang litum apan ason alam alang litum apan arjumon po laso po taxi alang litum apan ingwai pon po peningwe ilitum Miss KYF 2023 a winner. So first I would like to call on the first top 5 contestant 6, clear me now. I would like to request the judges to kindly ask you a question.
Hello, sir.
I want to know if you win tonight, if you win tonight, what will you? Okay. Sorry. Okay. If you will tonight, what will you promote Karbianglong tourism to the world, to the rest of the world?
Can you pardon the question, sir?
Here I would like to clarify a little bit. Sure.
If you win tonight, what will you promote Karbianglong tourism to the rest of the world? Just explain.
Thank you for the lovely question, sir. If I win today, I will promote our Karbianglong tourism to the world in a way that in our Karbianglong there is lots of tourist places like waterfall and also our Nothengpi. This is one of the famous architecture here. So I would love to promote the local vloggers because they are the one showing our culture and locality in the YouTube. So the rest people of the world can see. So if we support them, if we give views, then it will like if we went to somewhere which we don't know anything, then we will obviously search in YouTube. So that's the way people can know more about our culture and the tourism places. Thank you, sir.
That's it. Thank you, Fiormina. Calling next for the interaction round, contestant 9, Junmili.
Before the judges comes up with a question, I would like to let the finalists know that whichever language you are comfortable in, you can answer. Like I said, whichever language you are comfortable.
Ili Karbianglong, clear silten, kilang misen, non son no Nothengpi tami, kilang miu. Ili Karbianglong si long chochi, laben Karbianglong hendo picnic place mate, ye juya thai ta ke online, laben